It's time. It's time to rumble, baby. It's Fresh Cash fucking Friday, boys. Fresh Cash Friday. If you're not fucking pumped up, get the fuck out of here. I got no time for your bullshit today. We got one goal and one goal only. Putting money in my fucking pocket today. Take the money for the market, put it into my pocket. Take the money for the market, put it into my pocket. Take the money for the market, put it into my pocket. That's all we care about. All right? Showing the world. We're doing it. It's Fresh Cash Friday, baby. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. I'm pumped. I'm ready. I just got done working out. I did 10 minutes of red light therapy. I feel fucking energized. People ask me, Patrick, what are you on? I'm fucking high on life, baby. High on life. Fucking high on life. It's Friday. Why would you not be excited for Friday? I mean, come on. You know? Why would you not? It's the best day of the week, baby. Make money, you party. It's party, 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 party. You know, some people out there, they're sitting around like waiting for work to be over today. They're like, man, I can't wait for work to be over so that I can go out and party. I'm like, I can't wait for the market to fucking open so I can party, baby. All right, you know what I mean? Okay, all right. So this morning, the NASDAQ, nice little ripper from the 14,914 area up there to the 14,979s right now. On the 15-minute chart, nice little pullback here into this pivot point. Okay, I like it. Got the VWAP down there at the 912s. You had that huge sell-off yesterday. We had a big sell-off the day before. It's Friday. Do the bulls wake up here and rip this thing back up? I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? What do you think? If you haven't already hit that like button, we need 500 likes here on the stream, guys. It's Fresh Cash Friday. Let's fucking do it. If you're not liking it, just get the fuck out of here. I got no time for you today. Let's go. I went on. I need your guys' help. If you're on Twitter, go and comment on this post and go, oh my god, ICT's gonna be a guest appearance. Come on, we gotta blow this fucking live stream up today. Let's get everybody on Twitter all excited that ICT is gonna do a guest appearance, but he's not actually gonna do a guest appearance. Clickbait, got him. Gotta love it. Come on, hit that like button and also blow up that tweet if you can. I feel the rush. I feel the rush. All right. So let's get into it. It's 9:16. We got 14 minutes. Right now, the ES, the NASDAQ, both kind of pulling back here in a bullish manner. Nice little pop up. We broke out kind of through this pivot point here on the NASDAQ right now. We got a pivot point all the way up there at the 15,060s. We got this VWAP right here. We got the high of day yesterday at the 920s. We at the 15,020s. So we also have this 15,000 area resistance as well. So 15,000 to this area here, basically pretty clear to see where those levels are going into open here right now, bouncing off this pivot point there at the 14,954s. VWAP down at the 913s. Got that pivot point here up at the, like I said, the 15,060s on the NASDAQ right now. I got this kind of downtrend here. So we'll see. Pretty much, you know, if we, I'd say if we can't hold this 50 level there at the 950s, well, and we pull back here at open, if we start to push up, the bulls come in, try to save the day here on a Friday, oh, then we go up. It's that simple. It's magic. Whee! Up or down, baby. We don't really care what happens here, but we're looking to make some money. All right. Let's see. Is there any news today? What's the news today? We do have a manufacturing PMI number at 945 today, which is and a global services PMI number, which is a 3-star. So 3-star number coming out there at 9:45 today. So keep that in mind. 9:45 numbers. We're gonna switch it up today. Let's go to the, what do you think, 2-minute chart or 3-minute chart? What do you guys tell me? 3-minute chart, 2-minute chart? 3-minute chart or 2-minute chart or 1-minute chart? 2-minute, 2-minute, 3-minute. Let's do a poll. We'll do a poll. How about that? Time frame. 2, 3, 1. Let's see. You guys tell me. What do you guys think? If you wanted to see the price action on the chart right here, what would you rather see? The 2-minute, the 3-minute, or the 1-minute? Vote now. Don't vote for 1, you little fuckers. Damn it. Oh, God. Now that everyone's going to vote for 1. All the degenerates. You guys are killing me. This is why I don't listen to the chat. Because you guys are a bunch of degenerates. I have bred degenerates. People say, man, those Patrick Wieland subscribers, they're just a bunch of degenerates, a bunch of gamblers. I'm starting to believe that, actually. I'm starting to believe that I am a bad influence on you guys. I don't want to be a bad influence, right? Don't do as I do. Remember, you know, I'm already a millionaire from YouTube. I can lose money. If you're watching this live stream, you're probably not a millionaire. So don't try to not lose money. God damn it. I guess we're going to 1-minute chart. The poll is unanimous. 41% for the 1-minute. Fuck. Fuck. You guys got me. You guys win. The chat wins once again. I live by the chat. I die by the chat, baby. We'll do a poll here at 9:25, up or down. Let's see. Where's all the Warren Buffetts today? Who's 100% saying we're going up? Who's got that call? Anybody? Let's see it. Who's got it? Let's see. Who's 100% sure we're going up or going down? Which one? I like to see when people give me your thesis. Tell me why in the chat. Which one are we doing? Up or down? 100%. Steve A, 100% up. I only want to see 100%ers. Fletch, very, very 100% bull. Oh, man. Up 100%. A lot of 100%ers. Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. So many 100%ers. Giorgio said 1,000% up. All right, I'm all in. You told me, Giorgio, I'm going all in, baby. It's all in. Make or break, baby. 100,000 million% going straight up here. I expand. Giorgio's. If someone says they're going up 1,000%, we have to go up, right? Like, isn't that guaranteed pretty much? Right? Like, that's pretty much guaranteed. There is no, you cannot deny the idea. If someone believes 1,000%, it has to go up. It just has to. It's guaranteed every time. We do have that gap fill. We pushed all the way up this morning off of that gap fill. We closed yesterday down there at the 14,849s. We held it overnight. We pushed back up to this pivot point here at the 951s. Giorgio said we're 1,000% going up. So I believe Giorgio, maybe. I don't know. Giorgio, don't do me wrong, bro. I'm all in on your 1,000% call. Don't do me wrong, Giorgio. With a name like Giorgio, how could you be wrong? Somebody said 1,000,000% we're going down. Oh no. A lot of percentages. The big percent we're going down. Once again, denied there at that trend line, pulling back here. Giorgio, what happened? You said 1,000%. Giorgio. Giorgio. If I accept you. All right, so like we said, we have a pivot point there at the 951s. These pivot points to the downside, the next pivot point to the downside is literally 200 points to the downside there. That's a big move down there on the 15-minute chart for the NASDAQ. Right now, if we look here, we do have this kind of bull flag setting up there, but remember, we do got a lot of resistance up here at the 15,000, 15,020 area. Do we seek and destroy today? ICT, what do you think? Give me the shout out on Twitter. If you're gonna watch my live stream, you gotta tell people on Twitter to follow me. Come on, blow up the tweeter. Come on, ICT, do it for me. Help me out. I need a 3,000. I need to break the record today. 4,000, 5,000. What's one free tweet do? You know, it doesn't hurt you. Come on. Come on. I just want to get 5,000 people watching at one time. Let's break the tweeter. Break the tweeter. Oh, he posted it. We're live. Yes. 5,000 million. Views coming up. Get ready, people. It's going to get wild in here. The chat's going to get fucking wild today, boys. Yes, sure. Good morning, good morning, good morning. If you guys haven't hit that like button, it's Freshcast Friday. If we get 1,000 likes here on the stream, I'll do a giveaway today. Giveaway time. I'll do 2 giveaways. 1,000 likes, 2 giveaways. 2,000 likes, we'll do 4 giveaways. It's that easy, baby. Making my dream come true on a Freshcast Friday. Up or down? Let's do the poll. Up or down? Ooh, said ooh. Oh, you can't see the number of likes? Well, that would explain why it's so low then. Sorry about that. All right, here we go. The poll is live. Let me know. What do you guys think? Up or down today? Will the chat be wrong once again? Why do I call him Uncle ICT? Well, in Hawaii, pretty much everybody that is older than you, or just in general, is your uncle. Because in Hawaii, everyone's one big family. So you just call pretty much anybody that's a little bit older than you your uncle. You know, like if somebody was younger than me, they would be like, hey, uncle. You know, it's a family nucleus, a nucleus family. That's why I call him Uncle. Uncle ICT. So ever since Giorgio said 1,000% we're going up, the market's only gone down. Giorgio, damn it. Ever since 1,000%, the market's only gone down. That's funny. All right. We're getting ready for the market to open. We got this set up here going into open on the 15-minute chart. We got that high from the other day at the 15,020. Then we got that pivot point all the way there at the 60s. Right now, we got the VWAP down there at the 913s. We do have this big old gap fill. The gap fill would put us all the way back like 100 points down. We got the VWAP down there at the 915s, so we'll see how she plays out here at open. Right now, the market pulling back here. We didn't go. Are we going to get 3,000 views on the stream today concurrent? Don't tune away, people. We're live. Oh my God, it's going straight down now. Giorgio, 1,000% you were wrong. Cameron got paid. I said yesterday on Twitter, what if Cameron is really ICT? That'll really fucking get a Vinny E mini. Really, that'll imagine the conspiracy theories around that. Just wait till you see all the YouTube videos popping up in the next few days. Have you guys heard the theory, the conspiracy? There's a conspiracy theory going on around the world right now. ICT. What if Cameron is ICT? What if ICT is Cameron? Fucking mind explosion. What if Cameron is the author of the algorithm? What if ICT doesn't actually even trade? What if Cameron's the one who wrote everything? Oh my God, the fucking conspiracies are already circling. They're already circling. They're already circling here. Market pulling back. We broke the downside here. Not looking too hot for the bulls right now. We got numbers at 945, but this straight down move right here so far from the 50s. We got 30 seconds. Well, we got one more. We got a minute 30 until market open here. I do like the fact that there are people out there making entire documentaries about the conspiracy that is ICT. You got to give them props, you know, they're putting a lot of effort into it. I used to try to debunk ICT, and then I was like, hey, why? What am I going to gain from this? You know, I might as well just be friends with the guy. I'm a big scam as well. We can all be scams together. Doesn't matter what you do on the internet, someone's going to call you a scam, so you might as well just have fun with it. Birds of a feather flock together. I think that's the saying. Oh my God, the NASDAQ straight down here. Giorgio, I should have got short there when you said 1,000% going up. You gotta love the chat. You gotta love the chat, baby. Never fails. Right now, we got this little fair value gap there at the 931s. See if we're gonna pull into there and then pop up here at open. But right now, just straight down. Yay. Yay, yay, yay. Yay, 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 yay. Can we get 3,000 concurrent viewers? I think so. We're going for it. Hit that like button if you haven't already. Do, 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 do. Here we go. Market about to open. There it is. Market is now open for business. The market straight down here. 28s. '28s, 26s. Look, I guess the chat was wrong once again. Fucking chat never fails, man. Never. Just can't beat the chat. The chat is always wrong. VWAP down there at the 914s. The chat, you gotta love it. I love you guys, by the way. We're filling that. Looks like we're going for that. I don't know. We're gonna go for that gap fill here. What do you think? Right now, just straight down there to the VWAP. Right now, bouncing off the VWAP there for now. We're right at a pivot point there as well. Both the ES and the NASDAQ pulling back here deep at open here. There's a 910 liquidity on the book map right now. If that gives up, I think we lose that 10 quickly. Little pop back up here, the 20s. The shorts need more fuel. They're going to try to dump this down there. Step and lonely. The ES, the NASDAQ finding some support there at the 20s for now. Just waiting to see if we get some structure here at the 30s. Or if we're going to pop back up there. Straight back up here into the 30s now. I'm gonna take this short right here. See if we sell through this level, through the 20s now. Stop pretty much right there above the 30s. And look for this move through the lows now. Need to break through that 17-15 level. Strong. Moving my stop to break even now. We break through 10s here beautifully. Nice trade here. Let's get through that 10 level. I think we take out that 10 level here, we could really get moving, but we got to get through that kind of double bottom right there. Fucking gonna pop back up here now. Classic. Give it a little bit of room here. See if we sell through, but holding at that pivot point on the QQQ for now. And you out of my head. Get you out of my head. Down there through the 10s. I want to see if we can lose that 900 support. Take out that low at the 900s. Bouncy right there, but still looking like it wants that 900 break here, but you try to take out that 900 support there. Like to get at least 20 points here. Down there to the 06s now. Get right through the 900s next. Come on, baby. Get me through the 900s there. Bunch of liquidity sitting there on the book map at the 900s. We be a nice little sell through there down, I think, to like the low 90s. Take my profit down there. Don't really see any reason to cover yet. Still short from the 28s. Still short from the 28s here. Break through the 900s right here, right now. Trying to break through 900s. Dollar popping here. Should break 900. Come on. I'm going to be stubborn at that 900 level for now. I'm going to move my stop pretty much to that 10 level, so that guarantees at least 18 points. Pay myself here on a Friday. But let's see if we can break through 900 right there on this candle. La 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 la. Testing 900s here again. Testing 900s. Break it, baby. Yeah. No. Up. 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 Did we sell all the way through 900s right here? Short from the 28s. Watching it. Got my finger on the trigger deposit. I'm going to get out right there. Don't like we didn't. We should have sold right through that 900. It might still do it, but I'm going to lock in that 28 points. 28 points, 10 contracts. Easy peasy mac and cheesy, baby. Nice little $5,000 trade right there. My entries there at the 30s. We push back up to the 14 EMA beautifully. We have the nice little sell down there to the 900s. Fresh Cash Friday, baby. That's how we do it. And took profit. Look at that. A little push back up. So nice little read there as well. We had the that 900 level. We should have either dumped right through 900s. If we were going to take out that 900 level, you know, really quickly, it would have been just right through there. So we got numbers coming out 945. Now she's gonna look at that little pushback up, the takeout, the 900 level. We would have got stopped out either way. So good that we locked in the profit. We gave ourselves a little bit more profit. Instead of getting stopped out of the 10s, we took profit at the 03s there. So I think there's still room to push down here, but we got to wait for these numbers to come out 945. That's the 14 EMA on the 1 minute chart right there. Nice little kind of perfect little Patrick Wieland type of setup here. Pushing back up, making that little bear flag here on the 1 minute chart right there. And then the breakdown. So we also had this fair value gap right there. This trend. This is the Lux Algo indicator with the price action concepts. But you can see we push back up after this big dump at open. We push back up into this fair value gap. We then sell down. There it is, down to the 92s, the low 90s now. Congratulations if you're still short. Look at it. She gone. She gone, baby. Woo! 88ths. That was the move I was looking for through that 900 level, but kind of got stubborn there for a second. Can't get out. Hey, you can't get it all, you know? Sometimes you take 30 points, you fucking done. 20 points, done. If you guys haven't hit that like button, help me out, blow up that like button. We get 1,000 likes here on the stream. We'll do a giveaway. Giveaway with 1,000 likes. Who wants it? We're using the Quant Tower platform through Topstep. Do you notice how agitated you get? I don't know. Why are you typing in all caps? I make it really simple for you. Gone. Sounds a little agitated to me. Okay, cool. Also banned. I'll ban anybody. I don't care. I ban more people than most YouTubers have watching them. It doesn't bother me. You think I care? You think I care what your little fake names on the internet mean? Nothing. I'm making money, so. Any trades, Chad, also banned. You just tuned in just to talk shit? Who else? I got it. Come on, keep it coming. Keep it coming, baby. Who wants it? 945. We got numbers coming out. Like the guy comes in. Did you make any trades today, or are you just talking? Like what? I can't. Oh. go. There's that pushback up here off of the 890s. Do I enjoy streaming? No, but I get paid so much fucking money that I do it. If I wasn't making millions of dollars doing this shit, I wouldn't do it. But, you know, unfortunately, even the haters pay my bills. That's what they don't get. Them coming to watch, like, they're still fans. Because remember, I'm not watching them. They're watching me. So they can sit here and bitch and complain and talk shit all they want. But, like, I'm still winning. I'm still making money. Here we go. Numbers coming out here. 20 seconds. PMI. Like, guess what? I'm going to go buy a fucking $350,000 boat this weekend. Do you really think I give a fuck what some guy named Chad in my chat has to say? Do you really think I give a fuck when I'm sitting on the boat, fucking smoking a cigar, fucking looking at the hot Russian models? You think I really care? You think I really care? Zero fucks. It's a 36-foot yellowfin. Are you gonna get some fishing videos? You already know it. So that PMI numbers came out there. The market a little pop back up here. The bulls trying to push it back up. We got some liquidity sitting up there to the upside right now at the 30s. They'll probably take out that 30 level here now. Let's see it. 25, trying to take out that 30s there. There's a bunch of liquidity up there. They like that 30 liquidity. Watch it. Watch that 30 liquidity. Just get big old boner candle up there. Big old boner candle right there to the third. Oh, 28s. They'll take it. They'll take that 30 liquidity. Watch. There you go. 33s. How did he know? Oh, fuck out of here, people. How did he know? One man, how can he be so good looking, but so damn good at this game? It's too good. I'm too good. He didn't make me, and he sure as hell can't break me. He's been saying that he was going to buy that boat for years. What does that even mean? What if I said I was going to buy that boat for years? What does that even mean? He's been talking about buying a boat for years. God, what a scam. He scammed us. Patrick Wieland's the biggest scammer. He's been talking about buying that boat for years. I can't believe anyone fell for that shit. What truck is gonna pull that? The F-250, baby. I got an F-250 6.7 HO 2023, brand new, baby, brand new. All right, it's time for the giveaway. Who wants to win some fucking? Who do you got? We'll do the fucking giveaway today. Do the giveaway today. There's a link there in the chat. Go fill it out, and we'll pick a winner here in about 2 minutes. We're giving away a Market Flow Trader Community membership, $500 value. So if you don't want it, don't sign up for it. I don't want everybody complaining later, like, I didn't want that. I didn't want that fucking membership. I didn't want that. Market ripping higher there now. Up there to the 47s. Like I said earlier, taking out that liquidity there at the 30s, up there into the 40s, going to the 50s there now. There's liquidity all the way up there to the 70s. Bunch of liquidity there at the 50s right now on the book map here. I think she takes that 50s here. Let's see. Looking at the QQQ, there's the VWAP there, 14 EMA. Maybe pull back here into the VWAP and then get that rip through the 50s. Got back above the pivot point there. The bull's trying to come back here after the PMI numbers. Oh God, what we push up to? 49.50 there. 49.50 there. I don't love you and you don't even know. All right, we're pulling back into this little fair value gap right here. Setting up for the Patrick Wieland breakout. If we can start to push back up here, let's see. We hold this level here, and get that break through that pivot. Pivot point there at the 50s. We got this fair value gap. We got this fair value gap down here at the 15s. Dollar pulling back. NASDAQ pulling back into the 14 EMA right now. Robin, bro, acting too much like ICT. Unsubscribing. Don't do it, Robin. Don't unsubscribe. Please. Please. Please don't. Please don't unsubscribe, Robin. What will I do? I have 211,000 subscribers. What will I do if you unsubscribe? What will I do? Oh no. Oh no, please don't. Get the fuck out of here. God. I love when people literally think I give a fuck if they literally comment, Patrick, I'm gonna unsubscribe because I just don't like watching you. I'm like, okay. It's okay. You are cringe, but yeah, cool. Like, again, you're watching me on YouTube. Who's more cringe? The guy that's making money by you watching me telling me that I'm cringe, or you sitting here telling me I'm cringe? I think it's like the other way around. Like, you got to look in the mirror and be like, damn, he got me. He's making money sitting here and I'm commenting on his live stream. What am I gonna, it's like what? Yo, more talk, less bullshit. Anybody that types all caps gets banned on right away as well. All right, time for the giveaway here. All right, let's see if we push here. We're bouncing off of the VWAP. We're bouncing off the 14 EMA right there. If we can break through that 40 level, see if we take this thing all the way up there to the 70s next, that pre-market high. Got to clear out 40s though. Trouble there at the 40s again. Just waiting to see if we can clear out that 40 level and then get that one more push up here. Patience, my friends, patience. You want to make money, you got to be patient sometimes. All right, so the winner of the giveaway, closing my eyes, picking a winner here. And the winner is Javier Munoz. Javier Munoz, M-U-O-Z. Javier, congratulations. You're the winner, my friend. Whee! Javier, winner, winner, chicken dinner. Congratulations, Javier. Javier Munoz. Market's sitting here right now, having trouble getting up through that 40 level, so not too hot. As long as it's below 40s, nothing to do there. We got stuck at that pivot point there at the 50s for now. Bunch of liquidity on the book map, still up there at the 50s, just sitting there. Oh yeah, we got one more giveaway. I forgot. We're doing 2 here. Okay, okay. Let me see. Who's next? Who's the winner? Close my eyes, doing the pick. And the winner is Rich D. Rich D, you're the winner. Congratulations. Rich D. What a name. Rich D. Hey, Rich D. Winner, chicken dinner, Rich D. Congratulations. I don't know if that's a troll name or what, but that seems a little trolly. Rich D. What's your name? It's Rich D. Nice to meet you. All right, looking for this push up here. Let's see, we're starting to curl up. We got to get through the 40s. Get through the 40s there, and then try to get up there. We bounce off that pivot point here on the QQQ right now. And then we go up here to this QQQ pivot point. Right now, bounce off the 14 EMA on the NASDAQ here. Still have not cleared out that 40 level. We need to get basically above 36s here on the NASDAQ. Into that fair value gap of the 14s. Back up there, 35. Have not cleared out this kind of 40 level here yet still. Dollar is pulling back here. Dollar pulling back. Problem is the 15-minute chart, we're just kind of in the middle of that range. The ES having a lot of trouble getting moving. The ES possibly making new lows here, actually. Yeah, the ES right now at the lows, so not sure why the ES is lagging the NASDAQ so much, or why the NASDAQ's out in front of the... See what happens here at the ES. So the ES is going to hold that 76 level. Kind of scary. Could be a fake out, but I think if we clear out 40s here, we go. So again, pushing out there 35, 36s. Got to go through the 40s there. I'm going to take it long right there, see if we can't get this squeeze up. Had that push up, nice little bullish candle to push up there. So we'll see if we can get that push through the 50s, be my target. Stop here below the 20s, below these 2 candles right there. So need this to go right through 40s quickly. We don't want it to slow down here too much. Come on, baby. Will you take me higher? All right, we're going to move stop to break even here now. Right there, stop break even. 33.75. We're either going to break through that high or we're going to get stopped out break even there. I would like to see that break through 50s because then I think we can go to the 70s, but stopped out break even. We ran into this trend line right there. We were either going to go or we're not. But the problem is, like I said, the ES having trouble up there. So it's all good. Take a little small profit there. Stay out of it for now. And then we'll kind of wait to see how this plays. We pulled back into the 14 EMA again, but what did I do to Nutty Bar? I didn't do anything. He did it to himself. He messed around with the bull. He got the hordes, baby. Nah, actually, we're good. Me and Nutty Bar, we're good now. We've come to the conclusion that obviously I'm the top alpha male, and he's not. So, you know, it is what it is. The ES starting to push back up here. The NASDAQ starting to push. Starting to look like she still wants that 50 level. If we get through this, I would say we go, but we just got stopped out break even. Do we chase it again here? Watching it. All right, I'm gonna jump back in long here. Stop below 35. See if we get this squeeze up or not. Show momentum there. That was the move we were looking for earlier. We got stopped out break even. We got to get through the 50s here and try to go to the 70s. We'll let this one ride for that push up to the 70s possible. If we get through the 50s here. Again, deny there the 50s for now. Oh, fuck. Need to push through 50s strong. Come on, baby. Give me through the 50s there. Keep my stop right there at the 29s on this, right below the 14 EMA. Might add to this as well if we break through 50s. Oh, God, coming straight back down. Stopped out there at the 30s. Is what it is. That 50 liquidity just sit the pivot point just stuck there. Reason we use stops for a reason, my friends. The ES fucking 15-minute chart just ripped right up there and then denied again, so. Man, just subscribe to tell you so much crazy. Have some respect like a grown-up to ICT name. Deep down, you are not trading with live funds. Then respect my email with your lots of spam emails. What does that even mean? Do you even fucking speak English? The fuck out of here. Dude, what a fucking loser. Like, how meaningless is your life? How meaningless is your fucking life? I just subscribed to tell you. Just to tell you to grow up. Like, dude, get the fuck. Like, guys, there's this thing. It's called the internet, right? You go on the internet. You type in what you want to watch. And then you watch what you want to watch. If you don't want to watch it, don't fucking type it in. But remember, like, you put more effort into coming here, subscribing, writing a fucking novel comment than I did to ban you. So, like, again, who's the fucking idiot here? God. It's insanity at this point. I'm just like, it's literally insanity. I sent you email to tell you that you need to grow up, that you're no good. I sent you emails. Like, hey, it's all good, guys. I don't care. I'm not good. It's totally fine with me. My God. 5-minute chart here. Holding up there the 30s still. Now she's gonna fucking rip skis through the 50s again. Oh, God. Back up there to my entry. Now she's gonna break out, go to the moon. The ES trying to break up through the 83s. The NASDAQ, if the ES starts to push up there towards the 85s, NASDAQ breaks out here, we go to this fucking 70s like we talked about. So get ready for it. I still don't know what's worse. I don't know what's worse, being wrong about a trade or getting stopped out on a trade and then watching it go higher. It's a constant discussion in my head. I'm like, what's worse, being wrong about a trade or being right about a trade, getting stopped out and then fucking watching it go higher? I'm just not sure yet. It's the worst. Look at it. Now it's gonna... Why? I think... I really don't want to take another trade at this level because I've already got stopped out on it, but... She's looking squeezy. That 70 level just wants to get touched up there. Oh. Oh. Oh God. Oh fuck it. And there it goes through the 50s now. I like my life so much. It's so much fun. You guys like trading as much as I do? I love trading. Trading is so much fun. I like the trade so much. Sometimes in the morning I wake up and I say, I love trading. I want to do it so much. Yee! And then it does it. And then it does it. Not the same. Oh God, why me? Up there to the 60s now. I still think she wants 70 push here, baby. I'm looking for a push up there above the 70s here. And the best part is, look at where it's going. What do we say? That pivot point right there on the QQQ. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. And I'm feeling food. Do 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 do. Up to a high of 63 so far there. Oh God, now it's gonna pull back here. The ES up there through the 88s. Big move on the ES, that 15-minute chart on the ES showing that big move up. The NASDAQ finally above this pivot point. You've got this area to go through next. There at the 73s would be logical to take out that 73 level. And then you've got that 1500 up there next. 15,000 flat, 1500 not 15,000 flat there to push up there. So bunch of liquidity sitting there at the 70s right now. Oh God. Pulling back here to the 15 EMA 41 area. No follow through here. Sky high, I feel. Got this trend line here right now in the 1 minute chart. See if they'll respect that. Do I have a Topstep promo code? No, Topstep's deal right now is like insane. It's the cheapest it's ever been. It's like 80, 60% off, 70% off right now. Dylan Gaines, are you trading today or just showing people your face? I don't know, Dylan. How about this? Go get fucked. God. I love how people come in at 10 o'clock and they're like, well, Patrick, you haven't showed any trades, just showing your face. God. Again, just reiterating the fact that, like, how meaningless is your life? If I was like, I don't know, if I was like a profitable day trader and, you know, like, and I was a happy person and like I made money trading and like all those things and like I wasn't a YouTuber, well, guess where I would not be doing? Like, I wouldn't be sitting on YouTube, going on people's live streams and like commenting like, you suck. Like, I don't know. It's just kind of a weird thing. Like, what are you, fucking 15 years old? Really though, think about that. Like, all right, we're losing this trend line here. Do we pull back into the 10, into this fair value gap at the 1 minute, still sitting down there at the 10, 14, 15 area? Just kind of chopping around here. The funny part is, like, every fucking 90% of day traders lose money. 90% lose, but fucking 100% of the traders in the comments fucking always make money. So I think it's this amazing thing. Like, who would have thought? Who would have thought that so many successful day traders would sit on YouTube live streams and talk shit? Again, like, if I wasn't on YouTube, like, you gotta understand, the reason that I'm here is because I make a lot of money from it. But like, if I wasn't making money from YouTube, the last thing I would be doing is sitting on YouTube. Like, no offense, like, I love you guys for watching, but like, you know, if I was making all this money and I was super successful as a day trader, well, then I sure as hell would not be sitting on YouTube talking shit every day. Just a very like weird concept. Like, how like unhappy are you? Like, how literally how unhappy are you to do that? I just don't get it. Like, what's the point in living? Like, oh, I need to go on YouTube and make sure I tell Patrick that he's fat and he's ugly and he sucks. Like, I just don't, you know, I don't get it. It's just a weird thing. I just don't get it. What a weird life to live. Very weird life. Very weird life. I'm so ugly. The guy on YouTube, Chad, told me that I'm fat and I'm ugly and I'm never gonna get a girlfriend. Oh God. Oh, it's okay. Hey, the best part about nobody loving me is I love myself enough. You know, that's the best part. If I never find a girlfriend, it's okay. I can just love myself so much. Oh man, nobody loves Patrick Wieland more than Patrick Wieland. All right, nobody. Nobody loves Patrick Wieland more than Patrick Wieland. All right, all right. All right, we're just hanging out right now. We're watching. The problem is, like, I don't want to get short here until we break below this VWAP, but I might just be done here as well. Maybe this goes fucking sideways and chops around right now. I don't know. I also got to drive down to Fort Lauderdale tonight. I got to go down to the Keys and cry myself to sleep tonight with all the tears, you know, how terrible my life is. But I got to go to Fort Lauderdale and deal with some business on the boat. Basically, I closed, well, I put an offer on a boat. The seller accepted the offer. Now I got to close on the boat by the end of the month, and just kind of, it's a whole process. Buying a $350,000 boat, it's a whole process. You got to like do all kinds of stuff, and yeah, a lot to it. Surveys and inspection, testing, and all that stuff. So right now the market, there it goes through the 30s, down there to that fair value gap of the 15s. Am I still planning on buying a building and inviting traders to trade? I don't know, man. If I do that, someone's gonna come murder me. If I ever open a public office, I'm gonna have to fucking like hire a full-time security guard because people are crazy. Noah, don't get a boat, bro. Way too much maintenance. Noah, are you a bitch? Can I ask you a question, Noah? Are you a bitch? Are you? How big of a bitch are you? That's what I want to know. Don't buy a boat. It's too much maintenance. Oh my God. What are you gonna, you gotta maintenance it. You gotta do maintenance, Patrick. Are you stupid? Don't buy a boat. Oh my God. Guys, I don't give a fuck about the maintenance. I don't do it. I just pay somebody to do it. The fuck? Nathan. What was that guy? That guy's, you gotta go and look in the mirror, my friend, and ask yourself, are you a man or are you a little bitch? You gotta do maintenance. I gotta do maintenance on the boat. The fuck? The fuck? I got 2 boats. I got 3 trucks. I got 2 boats. You think I give a fuck about the maintenance? People will be like, but Patrick, what are you gonna do? The gas prices are so expensive. You're gonna buy a big truck, and how are you gonna be able to afford the gas? Well, I'm gonna make fucking money. It's called making fucking money. It's called making fucking money. I think people are confused on how much money I actually make. Like I'm literally buying a $350,000 boat. That's 1 month. That's 1 month of that's literally less than 1 month of salary of like the money that I make. You think I'm worried about the maintenance? Come on. Come on, people. So we lost that trend line. We're below the VWAP here on the QQQ. This 15 area, we bounced earlier. Bouncing again here, possibly chopping back up. Got to get through this 15, 10, and then maybe moving down again. But there's that bounce. Woo. This is that too. There's a fair value gap right there. The 15s again pulling back into that, pushing right back up there. So just pretty much in this range here now. Sammy, what's my P&L? $1 million today. Victor, didn't he say he only makes $6,000 off of YouTube? You're correct, Victor. You're right. It's 6,000 million. Y'all funny. Y'all real funny people out there. It's what's funny is there's more people I think that are basically trying to figure out like how much money Patrick actually makes versus the fact of like how much money they actually make in life. Like if people put the same amount of effort into how much money, like figuring out how much money I make, imagine what they could do. Imagine if the people out there that cared so much about how much money Patrick Wieland makes, if they just took that same amount of effort and put it into just focusing on themselves making money, well, then they could probably make some money. But instead, they just want to sit here and be like, but Patrick, I don't understand. 5 + 5 = 10. You told me that you make this much, but then if you do the math, that's not $1 million. So how is it that you make $1 million when you only make this much? I'm confused. I don't understand. I don't understand. Bounce right off that 15 level. Look at this thing. We're right back up there now. Good thing we didn't short there. Oh, good thing. Whew. ICT, fair value gaps, pay in the day, baby. I use the price action concepts with, this is the price action concepts, Lux Algo price action concepts. You can get 30% off if you use the code PAT30. Luxalgo.com gives you basically all of the goodies, all the ICT goodies. It's right there on your chart. You don't even need to know anything about ICT to make money. You know, you just like, wait, it's like there's a, it bounces, okay. Looking at the book map here, all that liquidity at the, there was a bunch of liquidity at the 70s up there. It's still, well, there's not that many. There's more liquidity out at the 60s now, but I think this is just going to chop around here now, to be honest. Both the ES and the NASDAQ just in this range right now. Pushing back up there above the VWAP again. If we start to push from here, I don't know. I think we could maybe go up there. Mark, I don't care how much money you make. I just want to know, how do you do it? Well, I have this thing called an OnlyFans, right? Just do the math. OnlyFans, Patrick Wieland. It gets hot. It gets real hot. That's what the boat's going to be for. The boat is an OnlyFans business expense. It's also the Pokemon cards. Don't forget about the Pokemon cards. Honestly, though, if I would still, like, when I was a kid, I had so many fucking Charizards and Pikachus and fucking holographic Pokemon cards. I had so many. I had, like, books and books of those fuckers. I think I threw them away. Like, I think at some point I just threw away all my Pokemon cards. I probably had $1 million worth of Pokemon cards. Fuck. Caribou, you're such a clown. Again, guys, I want to make it very clear. If you write a novel comment in the chat saying that I'm a clown, you should really look in the mirror, because, again, like, you're just admitting that you're a clown because you're watching. So you can't really call me a clown when you're sitting here watching and commenting. Because it's like, wait, am I a clown or are you the clown? Who's the clown? You're watching. I'm sitting here. I'm not watching you. So who's really the clown? Think about that. It's like Inception. If one clown watches another clown, who's the clown? You know? Who's the clown? Think about that. If I am a clown, if you're the clown, which one's the clown? I'm confused. Which one? It's Clown Inception. Clown Inception. Are a lot of MFT OnlyFans or mostly women? I think it's mostly dudes that want to see pictures of my calf muscles. I don't know. My Instagram, I get the weirdest messages. My Instagram DMs are normally just dudes messaging me going, hey, what's your workout program? Hey, what are you taking any, you know, testosterone? Hey, Patrick, I see you got really nice calf muscles. Do you do any certain calf muscle workouts to get those real nice calf muscles? And I'm like, oh God, no, sir, I do not. No calf muscles workouts. And there we go, back through the 50s again. Oh, God, the chop is real. I think we got that 70, 80 level market. End of day. I don't know about end of day, but hopefully in the next 30, 40 minutes, I think we go to the 80s. Go ahead and tweet about it, everybody. Go ahead and just be like, Patrick Wieland, he said it's going to the 80s. And what a fucking clown. What a fucking clown. He said it was going to 80s, clown. I don't know. It looks kind of squeezy McSqueezerson to the 80s there. Maybe, baby. A bunch of liquidity popping up there at the 60s again. A lot of liquidity there at the 60s for now. The ES still has not broken above kind of that overnight high, the pre-market high up there at the 90s. So if the ES can work its way up there above the 90s, well, then I think the fucking NASDAQ pushes up there to the 15,000s or more. So keep an eye on the ES over there. A lot of liquidity stacking up to the upside here. Maybe some more chop before the move, but we did hold kind of that double bottom there. We did hold for now. We did hold for now. We're bounced off the 14 EMA there for now on the QQQ and on the NASDAQ here. We're above the VWAP again. We got that pivot point up there at the 360-40s. 360-40s. Billy Bueller. 360-42 sitting up there. Problem is we're just gonna fucking chop here. The ES chopped back down. NASDAQ chopping back down here. Again, just stuck in this range. Just can't get free. We're free falling. We're free falling. All right, I'm fucking over it. Fucking over it. I think it's time to walk away. Fuck this shit. Just going absolutely sideways right here, right now. So keep an eye on it. Maybe it squeezes above the 60s. I think if it gets above 60 here strong, above this pre-market high on the NASDAQ, we then try to move up there towards that 15,000. There's a pivot point all the way up there. I don't know. I know the market's literally prepping for a big move. I think I'm just going to put a trade on there and just let it ride. Let me just go drive down to Fort Lauderdale, put my stop at the fucking 15s and say, peace, Middle East. What do you think? Not a terrible idea. Just put a trade on here and just let it go. Just let it go from here. I've had worse ideas. I've definitely had worse ideas here. Just let this fucking ride. Get this bounce off the 14 EMA. We got to take out that 60 level there, but we'll see. Trying to push. Pushy. Come on, do it before I leave. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You can do it. You can do it, baby, baby. Baby, baby. I don't even want to look at it. I don't even want to look at it anymore. It's either going to go or it's not. All right, what should I do here? Move to break even? Or just say YOLO? YOLO. YOLO. 10 contracts right now from the 37s. Put my stop loss. Break even right here. 38s. We're gonna go, baby. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. We're up $5,000. We're up $5,000. Now we're gonna be up $6,000. I ain't taking profit until we push to the 70s. Fuck this shit. I got balls of steel. Oh God. I want $10,000. I want 10,000. 10,000. $10,000. Pulsar, you look like an average, slightly overweight dad. Well, guess what, Pulsar? I would whoop your ass. I would roll you up like a piece of carpet. There we go. Into the 70s now. We're up 6,500 here. I think we could go to the 80s. I'm going to stick. I put a line on the chart. I said we're going to the 80s. I got to stick to my fucking plan, Patrick. All right? Patrick Wieland is a man of his word. Patrick Wieland is not y'all bitch ass bitches. Patrick Wieland's #1 day trader on YouTube for a reason. Right? When I say I'm going to do something, I do something. When I say I'm going to do something, I do something, boys. When I say I'm going to do something, I do something. To the 80s, motherfuckers. To the 80s. God, he's good. God. I'm still long, by the way, if you're wondering. I think we can go into the 80s here, to be honest. Take out that 80 level. I'll look to lock in $10,000 in profit here. Live on YouTube. The plan before the plan. The plan laid out before the move even happened. Got to get through the 80s right here. Go straight up. Go straight up. Biggest balls on YouTube, baby. Biggest balls on YouTube. Biggest balls on YouTube. Biggest balls on YouTube. I'm gonna lock it in right there. Oh God, the pressure. Nah, I'm good. I'm good. I'm in. I'm out. Oh God. $9,000. I'll take it. Patrick. Patrick, you never tell us when to buy. Patrick. Woof. 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 Now I'm gonna rage quit and tell everyone to get the fuck out of here. Now it's going to the 90s. God damn it! Bang, bang. Mic drop. Oh, God. You guys told me to sell at the 70s. Get the fuck out of here. Get out of here. All of you. Up there through the 90s now. Still going. Still going. Still going. What did I say? What did I say? Patrick. 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 All right, I'm out of here. I'm gonna go to the beach. Well, I'm gonna go to Fort Lauderdale. I got things to do. Taking the shirt off. We're gone. We're out of here. Woo! I love it. Yes. Yes. 15,000 liquidity up there now. 15,000 liquidity. 15,000 liquidity. $15,000 liquidity. 15,000 liquidity. All right. Ugh. I want to see if it hits 15,000 here. Then I can really just. Just drop it. 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 Oh, God. $14,999. 14,000. 15,000. Done. There you go. I'll see you guys Monday morning. Mega Money Mondays, baby. Beautiful move. Peace to the Middle East.